So hello guys, today I will be showing you that how to get an expression for calculating the radius of orbit for hydrogen atom and hydrogen like species, that is for the single electronic systems or for the single electronic species. Now it should be better to call them single electronic species or not, sorry, say it should be better to call them single electronic systems because helium and lithium, these are not actually single electron species, but when the electrons have been removed, they become single electronic systems. So it is better to call them as single electronic systems and not as single electronic species. So I am going to find the formula for calculating the radius of orbits for the single electronic systems. Now, now if now consider a nucleus. This is the nucleus and this is the orbit. This is the electron. Now, if this electron has to remain in its own position, has to remain revolving in the same orbit, then the attractive electrostatic force of attraction must be equal to the centrifugal force, which is acting away from the nucleus. So if these two forces are equal, then only the electron will be revolving only around the same orbit. So from this we can say that if the electron has to remain revolving around the same orbit, then k ze square by rn square is equals to m v square by rn, where Rn represents the radius of the nth orbit. So this represents the electrostatic attractive force, and this represents the centrifugal force. Now we know that by Bohr's theory, nh by 2 pi is equals to mvr. I think this everyone knows if you are studying even in class 11. So from here we can write velocity as nh by 2 pi mr. So we can write it as velocity as nh by 2 mr. Now we replace the value of v in this equation on this equation. So we will be getting this as k ze square by rn square is equals to m n square h square by rn 4 pi square m square rn squared. So this is the equation which we have got. Now rn square and rn square gets cancelled. Now we get this rn from the denominator to the numerator through the process of cross multiplication. So rn we get, and this here is 1m, its power becomes 1 and its power becomes 0. So we get the formula as n square h square by 4 pi square m k ze square. So this is the formula. This is the required formula. This is the formula by which Bohr calculated the radius of the single electronic species, and if we put all the values, then we will getting this as 0.529 into n square by z angstrom is equals to 52.9 n square by z picometer. So hence proved. So I hope that all of you have liked this video. If you have any doubt, then you can please ask me, and please like this video.